Sure, you want to make 2024 a great year. So these are 5 lessons I learned in 2023 that you should be implementing in 2024 to make it a great year. Lesson number 1: hard work is the key to success. Is that, listen, I used to think that you could just show up, you know, and do whatever you came without being prepared and you succeed in life. But no, in order to succeed in life, I know it's a bit cliche and it's a bit old, but it's very important. In order to succeed in life, you need hard work and determination. Okay, you need to be prepared. You need to be able to put the hours. You need to commit into putting the hours before you going into whatever you want to do. So yeah, hard work is the key to success. Number two. Number two. Sorry about that. Number two. People may go from your life, but it gets better. So basically, 2023 was one of the years where, well, basically my girlfriend dumped me. I'm putting it out there just for you guys, and I thought, I thought the year was over, but no, it continues. She may be gone, but it's, in a way, it was for the best because I became a better version of myself and I improved a lot. So this just shows that even if someone goes from your life, you can become a better person. You just keep going, just try to keep going, try to become better in everything you do. Just because of, if that one person is gone, don't make it the end of the world. Just keep going, keep progressing, focus on yourself, and just keep going. Things will get better. So that's all I wanted to share. A third lesson: be patient. Your time will come. So this is a lesson that many youngsters need to hear, or many people. It doesn't matter whether you're young or old, but people normally rush into things. So they rush into getting things. We are in a world where you want to get something as soon as possible, but you shouldn't. Instead of doing that, you should be patient. Delay gratification, which means that by doing a small stuff, you will get to the end. You will get the gratification at the end. So let's say today I plant a seed on the floor. It's not gonna grow tomorrow. It's gonna take time, maybe a year, maybe 3 months, who knows. But it's gonna take time for that seed to grow. It's the same thing. If you start training today, don't expect results tomorrow. Okay? Just be patient. Your time will come. If something isn't going well in your life, be patient. Keep going. Just keep going. It will get better. Okay? Fourth lesson. Every little thing, every little step that you do is massive. Let's say you start working out today. Let's go with that example again. You start working out today. And you don't see results in a month, maybe in 3 weeks. You don't see results. But that's because you improve little by little. Every small step you took in that journey will get you further and further along. Even if you don't notice it, you're improving. Every little step, every little thing you do in order to improve is a huge step. There are people that don't even do the small steps. The small steps become bigger and bigger. Imagine, just like let's say you're building a castle. You lay brick by brick. Maybe one brick is not gonna count, but then when you get to the 720 brick and you look down and you know you started from one brick, that's when you know you have improved a lot. It's the same with every small step can make a big thing. Every small step counts. So just keep training every day. Just do something. I don't care what, just do something. Keep improving every day, and you, by the end of the year, by the end of the month or the week, maybe not the week, but by the end of the month, you will see improvements into what you are doing. Well, last but not least, practice your religion. This is key. I'm Muslim, and before 2023, I wouldn't say I was the best Muslim, like, not in terms of what I did, but what I didn't do. So I didn't play my 5 daily prayers, but then in fact, I had a girlfriend, which was haram, but yeah. I learned more about my religion in 2023. I started praying my 5 daily prayers, and yeah, I became a better person. Everything as I became better because practicing your religion puts a focus on something. You know, if you're in a wall that's lost, just don't worry. Trust in God. Trust in Allah. Yeah, keep praying. Just practice your religion. That will really help you, not only mentally, spiritually, but physically as well. You notice the changes. Trust. All right. Cool. Those were 5 things, 5 lessons that I learned in 2023 that you should be implementing in 2024. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I will see you in 2024.